During training, we should encourage trainees to interact with the training content, with other trainees, and with the instructor. Learners interact with the training content when they read the textbook or online materials, when they listen to multimedia, when they complete assignments and activities, and when they practice newly learned behaviors. Trainers interact with learners when they present and demonstrate materials, when they answer trainees' questions, when they provide feedback about trainees' performance in the training situation, when they reinforce successful behaviors, and when they support trainees as they face obstacles in the learning process. Trainees interact with other trainees when they discuss their experiences, share context-specific knowledge, observe other trainees performing the behaviors that they need to learn, and when they share their own learning strategies with one another. By encouraging these three types of interactions, we can increase the likelihood that trainees learn and that they transfer that learning to the job.